Hello, in this video I will able to talk how you can earn 500 to 1000 per day by just solving doubt of the student. It is basically doubt solving application. Here you see the interface of this application, and earning is 820.9 rupees, rating 4.1, session taking 165, and session today is 29. So this is basically where your daily earnings will look like this. You can earn like 500, you can earn like thousands, you can 400, 300. This basically depends on number of hours you will spend on this platform to earn and to solve doubt. Here it is offline right now, so the question is not coming. Whenever you want to solve the question of a student and earn money, you have to go online for this purpose. And now I will show you how you can earn extra money. So here you also see like extra 50 earn. Basically it's depend on rating. If you solve the doubt of a student very correctly and a student rate you good, then you will able to earn extra money also. Now I will to profile options, where you can select your professional background and all the details, and also you able to select your teaching topic, from where you can edit your teaching topic, and you can select your teaching topic based on your professional background like this. And government exam 11 12 class 9 10th, and I will select 11 12 because I am interested in 11 12, and the respective chapter wise you can select like. And after the selection of this all, you have to click on done. And whenever you select all the kind of information, then you go on like this, select your teaching topic, and you can select your teaching topic like mole concept, thermodynamics, whatever it is. It basically depend on you. And I will select 12 NEET board. For college student, it is very good applications where you can earn as equal to your daily. And this is basically rating system mechanism, where you have to keep eye on your rating. Your rating should be good, and this basically depend on how you solve the doubt of your student. And here a student is of you not able to, you have not to worry about a student. A student is coming on self, and doubt is coming on the other side, and you have to only focus on solving the doubt of the student. And the daily earning, you can see you can earn up to thousands to thousands. It's basically depend on number of hours you putting here on this application to solve the doubt of a student. And this basically per hours you can earn about 140 to 180 rupees. This basically depend on also your rating and teaching topic. Either you select 9th class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class. Okay, and the link of this application I give in your description box, from where you can download it, and you can check out this Philo applications. A link of this application is given in the in descriptions. And you can earn money of your pocket for your college fee even. Thank you for the kind of information, and hope you able to understand this all. And yeah, if you want to earn money from this by just solving down your college student, then link of this application is in description. You should check out, definitely check out. This is trusted applications, and you will happy about that. Thank you.